If you are still using Google Form to manage your quiz, then you are in not 2026, you are in 2000. There are lots of tools built around quiz and they are better than Google Form. In this video, we are talking about quiz-maker.online.
Have to go to quiz-maker.online. You can see the domain here. Once you go here, so you'll get button called free, create free quiz. You have to click here and sign up with your Google account. I have already signed up here, so I'll just click here, then I'll be landed to my dashboard. So here there are very interesting things that you can do with this portal. First, questions. You can add your questions. If you click on add new questions, you'll be you have to type a question text and then options and everything. Hope you'll be able to do this by yourself. And there is one more interesting option here called AI importer. Basically you just have to type how many questions you want, what is the exam body, what is the main subject and chapter. Then after, you'll be getting a prompt that you have to copy and paste it to your Gemini, Claude or ChatGPT. Then after, you can import those questions into this particular app. So I'll just type something here. Let me try doing something, and let's say India. So here AI prompt. So this prompt you just have to copy and then click on import questions. So here whatever the output that given by Claude or Gen AI, you just have to select that and import all the questions at one shot. Okay. So once you add the questions here, you just have to go to quiz option. So here click on create new quiz and standard quiz. Give a quiz title. Let's say I'm giving MBA 2 and MBA 5 I'll do, and then next I have to select the questions. So I'm selecting 1 2 questions and click on next. So here you can public the quiz, you can private to your learners, you can assign to a specific group. And if you want to do show result after the submission, you can enable, or you can always toggle on and off this. You can play around. And there is one thing that very important, time limit. You can set as per quiz or you can set as per questions. So I'm just setting here, I just want to give 2 minutes to my students. Click on next. I don't want my student to be verified by OTP, so I'm just, because this is for testing purpose, so I'm just clicking on create. So that this will take a couple of seconds. Then after, you have to click on go to all quizzes. So here this quiz is created. Today's date is showing here. You just have to click on share icon and then copy this quiz link. Okay, so I just copied the quiz link, I'm pasting here. So this type of window will be appear to your student. So I'm just typing here, let's say Harish, and email ID will be anything for testing, start quiz. So here this is how you'll get all the questions. If student clicks here, can see all the progress and questions buttons. So let's say I'm just giving this, I'm just finishing the quiz. So best part is, after finishing the quiz, they will get a download result button. So so this is the result page. You can see so 2 questions were there and both of them were incorrect by the students. So I'm just showing you here. So once the quiz is submitted, you can click on leaderboard and see the result. See, this is the student name and this is the score. You can scroll to right, and then even you can export the PDF. You can export the leaderboard PDF also. So let me see. So this is the leaderboard PDF. I have uploaded my logo, so it's showing in a correct way. So if you wanted to upload your logo, you just have to go to I'll show you where you have to go. So let me just close my screen. I closed, and then if you wanted to upload your your logo, right, you just have to go to more and then click on this icon, and here you can upload your logo, and the same logo will be printed everywhere. And then there is one more important feature called master paper. If you want answer key to be published, you can click on master paper. So there will be a questions and there will be an answer also along with the questions. So then there is one more option here called quiz analysis. So if you click on quiz analysis, you get to see how many, what are the top 5 student, what are the bottom 5 student, and then what are the top corrected questions, what are the incorrect questions, and everything. And you can even export this to PDF. And there is one more option called games. So here you can generate a games, so you can play around and explore what are the things are available in this app. So there are a few things that you might use, called responses. All the quiz that submitted by the student will be appear here. And then there is one more option called learners. You can add your student, or give a LMS access. So we will cover these all of these options in next video. uh, you can use quiz dash maker online, and just put this link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.